Today we're going to discuss 3 tips for couples who are not legally married. Welcome to 2 Minute Tuesday, where I attempt to discuss an estate planning topic in 2 minutes or less. Remember, if you're enjoying these videos every Tuesday, then please hit the subscribe button in the lower right-hand corner. I'd really appreciate it. Did you know that over 100 million people in the United States are unmarried, and 45% of households are unmarried households? So, if you and your partner love each other, but don't want to tie the knot or get married, you need an estate plan that takes into account your specific partnership. And it needs to protect both of you and your family members. I'm sure you've heard unfortunate stories of couples that have lived together their entire life, but never made plans to protect each other when one of them dies. The scenario we hear about a lot is the couple's home is titled only in the name of the partner that dies. Now, some might think it would automatically go to the other partner, but if the home is not protected correctly, it could end up going to the family of the partner who died, leaving the surviving partner out on the street without a home to live in. So when it comes to unmarried couples, they need to take a more individualized and customized approach in order to achieve their estate planning goals. So today, here are 3 tips for unmarried couples and partners. The first is living trusts. A living trust allows you to use your assets while you are alive and then bypass the probate process when transferring property to loved ones after you die. A trust can also keep your business out of the public record, and it can empower someone else to handle your finances if you become unable to do so. Even though trusts tend to cost more up front than related solutions like a will, the benefits they can provide cannot really be easily replicated with other options. On balance, a trust is a superior tool for virtually everyone. It should be the cornerstone of almost any comprehensive estate plan, especially couples who have not formalized their relationship with a legal marriage, or can't. The second is wills. A pour-over will can be an effective backup and complement to a revocable trust. When you die, your assets get funneled into your trust and then distributed to your beneficiaries pursuant to the terms and instructions of your trust. The pour-over will keeps things simple, making the process less stressful for your personal representative and trustee. It also helps tie up loose ends in case you didn't transfer every one of your assets into your trust before you died. What happens if you die without a will or other estate plan? Well, courts refer to this as dying intestate, and it means that the rules that will apply to your estate will be those written by Oklahoma law. And this is rarely what you intended to happen. A will is there to essentially protect the person you are wanting to give stuff to. But an unmarried couple, you simply can't rely on estate laws to work for you. 3, beneficiary designations. Most retirement accounts, bank accounts, and other type of financial accounts allow you to designate a beneficiary or a person who will automatically receive what's in that account when you pass away. So make sure you update your beneficiaries. Depending on how your trust is designed and your circumstances and your goals, you may name one or more trusts as the beneficiary rather than an individual person. This is especially important with unmarried couples. Whether you've been living with a life partner for decades and you're now enjoying retirement options, or you're just beginning a family with a person who you have not formally or legally recognized as your partner, you probably have questions. So give us a call here at the Cortes Law Firm, and we can help guide you through this process to protect you and your loved one. Well, that's all for today. I'm not sure if I made it under the 2 minutes, but if you enjoyed this video, then please like it below and hit the subscribe button. We really appreciate it. We post new videos every Tuesday, and we'll see you next time.